Now, looks like Mama and her baby, huh? Just the little one. They're eating some of the grass. Mama's pretty good size here. Anyways, I've got a video that I want to talk about here. There they go. Zoop. They're going. That one's going that way. So, you saw me making firewood the other day. I did a video earlier today, and it was about 14 minutes. I had the wood that I had thrown in here from the other day. This is how it turned out. I did a video on stacking that and getting it all ready to go. So the main purpose of the video today is to show you, I actually shot one before. It was 14 minutes long and it wasn't of good quality, so I threw the thing out. But you would have seen the stack of firewood in here from the other day that I split. It's about 89 degrees out. I didn't do any additional splitting today. Might fire this up a little later on. It's starting to cool down now. It was much warmer before. But this is what I got. I stacked the stuff up that I had thrown in there. And I finished this row out, and we're right up, stacked tight up there with that row. This stuff is really heavy. It's a maple, and I think it's some type of an oak. It's kind of really gnarly. I'm not sure what the gnarly stuff is, but the 27-ton Gravely wood splitter does a great job with that. I think we got room for another 3 rows in here. I'm going to get this stuff out of here, and you know, that was our project for today, was to turn around and get this stacked. I didn't do any work because it was really humid earlier, like I said. So tomorrow we'll go at this again, or even, I think, maybe even this evening. I may fire this up for about 2 hours. It's actually pretty comfortable out here right now. They got severe storms down to the south of us that should stay south of us, and I should be able to get, it's overcast, I should be able to get some firewood made. So all in all, not a whole lot of project work being done today, but because of the temps and it being Sunday, I took it easy. And I hope everyone else did the same. How much rain have you gotten in your area? Let me know in the comments section. We had close to another inch last night. I don't know, we got to be close to 5 inches between now and a week ago. So let me know. We had storms came in about 2:30 in the morning. And in that comment section, let's see what the different areas across the world here have gotten. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the other videos at Parode and the Project Specialist. I gotta have close to 350, 400 videos out there now. Check them out. Thanks for your time. Have a great, great day.